$11,000 down the drain in, what, 20 seconds? I'm literally flabbergasted. Hey, it's Ashley Renne, and welcome back to my channel where I show you how you can use sustainability to save you money, the planet, and your health. Now, first things first, I just want to say Happy New Year to you all. I hope this decade is 10 times better than the last one. Now, I'm actually kicking off the new year in India. And by the way, shout out to the Indian state of Kerala for recently implementing a statewide ban on single-use plastics. Whoop whoop! Now, if you want to keep up with my India adventures, make sure you follow me on Instagram where I am sharing updates every day in my Instagram stories. Now, before I left for India, I decided to make a pretty hefty investment into my business, the new Apple Mac Pro, which I have been waiting to come out for a year because it was promised to be like this holy grail for creatives. I've been editing all of my videos on a very slow and outdated MacBook Pro that makes me want to scream every single time I have to edit. It is so unbelievably slow and playback is horrendous. Now, for those of you who don't know, the new Mac Pro is super dope. It is a monster editing machine for professional video editors and photo editors like myself who can especially appreciate it for its raw computing power and its repairability. Now, it's a giant departure from its typical products, which force you to buy new products whenever the old one starts to degrade. I knew while I was here in India, the computer was going to arrive at my house, so I was really excited and decided to watch my Nest Hello video doorbell security camera footage to experience the excitement while I'm thousands of miles away. However, I was not quite prepared for this. Seriously? WTF UPS. Now, I'm curious for all of you guys out there, what would you do if you had a package delivered in that way? P.S. If any of you guys want to rise to the challenge and create a meme of this video clip, please do so and tag me and I will be more than happy to share. Now, if you're wondering what happened to the computer after that, well, I pronounced it dead on arrival. And I contacted my husband and showed him the video footage, and he immediately contacted Apple, and honestly, Apple was really great. They agreed to immediately and expeditiously send me a new replacement Mac, this time by way of FedEx, not UPS. Moral of the story, smart cams save lives. And in this case, it probably saved me money because had I unknowingly set up a computer that was probably damaged, then I would have had to dish out cash down the line to fix a computer that I had no idea was probably already broken. Now, there are plenty of security camera options out on the market like Ring and Nest. Now, I personally have the Nest Hello Video Doorbell. I did a whole video on that. So if you're interested in security cameras, make sure you go check out that video. Or even better yet, watch my smart home video, which will walk you through my entire setup. So when my replacement Mac Pro does come in, do you guys want me to do a review of it? It's not really in my niche. I do tech, but not that kind of tech. But you know, if that's something that you guys are interested in, just drop me a comment below and I'll go ahead and do it. That's pretty much it. I really just wanted to share an update on how my new year was starting. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up with the rest of my adventures. Until next time, you guys, keep on living an adventurously green life.